of your parents' house. Somebody hear that? Now there's a culture, it's like people want to get married, and then the family of the husband will say, oh, we have gained a daughter. No, you've not gained a daughter. And then maybe the family of the wife will say, oh, we have gained a son. No, you have not gained a son. I feel a son. No, a son. You have not gained a son. Your family is different from that family. You have not adopted that daughter. Neither have you adopted the son. Because when you say you gain, that means you adopted. No. If you need to adopt, go out and adopt children into your family. But as far as your son is concerned, once he steps out to go get married, he's beginning his family. Your family as a parent's family now becomes what we call extended family. Let me say that again. It is not a franchise. Your children marriage, their home is not a franchise. They're an entity. They are different from you. They may be having the same surname. Of course, your daughter does not have the same surname because the daughter should take the name of the husband, right? So it's not a franchise. You don't gain a daughter. It's an extended family. Some people may not agree with it, but that's okay. You agree with it, you don't agree with it. Go and meet God and tell God why.